started my job as an electrical apprentice, I loved it. The work was fulfilling, and I was building solid professional relationships. However, things took an unexpected turn when one of the bosses started sending me inappropriate messages. They were suggestive and made me extremely uncomfortable, but I was unsure how to handle it. I wasn't prepared for this, and I felt trapped. At first, I didn't say anything. I thought maybe if I ignored it, it would stop. But it didn't. The messages kept coming. That's when I realized something important. This kind of behavior doesn't just go away, and it's not something you should tolerate in silence. I reached out to someone connected to the higher-ups, hoping it would make a difference. Thankfully, the messages did stop, but the situation didn't improve. Instead, my work environment became hostile. The people who were supposed to support me didn't. When I raised a formal complaint, the company turned on me. They claimed I had somehow caused the problem, even though I was the one being harassed. That's when I realized how crucial it is to not only stand up for yourself, but to do so from the start. If I had spoken up earlier, documented everything, and made my boundaries clear from day one, I might have had a different outcome. While it's difficult to be in such a situation, I've learned that addressing harassment head-on is the best way to handle it. To anyone facing a similar situation, here's what I wish I'd done from the beginning. First, document everything. Keep records of any inappropriate behavior. This can be text messages, emails, or notes about conversations. Second, report the issue as soon as it happens, even if it seems minor. Third, find allies in the workplace, trusted coworkers or HR representatives who can support you. Lastly, remember your well-being comes first. If the situation affects your health or safety, don't hesitate to take steps to protect yourself.